Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mathematics. Today we will solve the question number 7 and 8 of exercise 6.3. So now here we go. Question number 7. In the given figure, CE and triangle ABC intersects each other at O. Each other at point P, and we have to show that triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. AEP means this triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. CBE. Third one is triangle AEP. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. ADB. And fourth one is triangle PDC. Triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Now we start from question number 1. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. So we clearly see that in triangle AEP, this one is right angle and this one is also right angle. So 1 equal to, and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Name it as 3 and 4. So first we write in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. In triangle AEP, angle 1 equal to angle 2 because of right angle. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. So triangle AEP becomes similar to triangle CDP because AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria. If two angles are equal, then third angle is bound to be equal because sum of three angle is 180 degree, and if we subtract sum of two angles, then we get third angle are also equal. Now similarly, question number 2, ABD similar to CBE. ABD, ABD and CBE. CBE. So we see that in both triangle B is common. Let it angle 5. So and ABD, suppose that 5, 6 and this is 7. So angle 5 equal to angle 5 common. Next 5 equal to 5 common. Next 6 equal to 7. Angle 6 equal to angle 7. You can write the whole name of the triangle also. 6 means ADB and 7 means CEB. So 6 equal to 7 because of both are equal to 90 degree. So this is also similar to triangle ABD, similar to triangle CBE by AA similarity criteria. Now third, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. So we write in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Now see in the figure AEP. So one is right angle and ADB is D is right angle. So angle 1 equal to angle 6. Angle 1 equal to angle 6 because both are equal to 90 degree. And also we see that in triangle ADB and in triangle AEP, A is common. This angle is common. Name it as angle A equal to angle A, you can write, or name it, give it some numerical value 6, 7, 8. Suppose that this angle is 8. So 8 equal to 8 common. So again we have two corresponding angles are equal. So triangle AEP becomes similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity criteria. Write the reason in bracket. So Similarly, triangle PDC, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Look, triangle PDC, where is PDC? PDC, this triangle, and BEC, DEC. So we see that in PDC angle 2 is right angle, and in triangle BEC 7 is right angle. So 2 equal to 7. Both are equal to 90 degree. Again, angle C is common. Name it as angle 9. C. In triangle PDC, this angle belongs to PDC, and this angle 9 is also belongs to BEC. So 9 equal to 9. 9 equal to 9. Angle 9 equal to angle 9, common. Therefore, triangle PDC similar to triangle DEC. Now we are going to solve question number 8. Now question number 8. E is point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F, so that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. So first we need to draw a parallelogram ABCD. So draw a parallelogram ABCD. Suppose that this is a parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, D. So E is point on AD produced. So we need to produce AD. And E is point on it. Suppose that here is point E. So E is point on AD produced. And BE intersects CD at F. So B, join B to E. And point of intersection of BE and CD is F. It is given in question. So we have to now prove triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. Where is ABE? ABE. This larger triangle ABE is similar to CFB. CFB. So you have to given first given ABCD is a parallelogram, and E is point on AD produced. E is point on AD produced, and BE intersects DC at F. You can write it from question at F. To prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Now we are going to prove it. So in proof part we see that in triangle ABE and in triangle CFB, so we see that this angle, suppose that this is angle 1 and this angle equal to 2. So 1 equal to 2 because of alternate interior angle. This line and this line is parallel, therefore 1 and 2 becomes alternate interior angle. AE and BC are parallel, therefore 1 and 2 is alternate interior angle. And also angle A equal to angle C, because we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we are going to equal two angles of both triangle, and then it becomes similar to triangle ABE to CFB. So in proof we write in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Write the region within bracket alternate interior angles. Also angle A equal to angle C. Write the region opposite angles of a parallelogram. So triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity criteria. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.